Today we're checking out the Mishimoto Performance Aluminum Radiator for the 2015 and newer F-150s. If your truck works hard for you, tows, sees rough use, or you just want a stronger cooling setup than the stock unit, this is the kind of upgrade that brings a lot more confidence to the table, so it's definitely worth considering. This has a coolant capacity that is 45% larger than OE and a surface area that is 55% larger and a core volume that's 63% larger than the stock unit. So this is a serious step up for somebody who wants more cooling support out of their F-150. That makes this a smart pick for towing, hard-working trucks, hotter climates, or just an owner who wants more breathing room in their cooling system. It also uses factory mounting points with a direct fit installation, so it's going to save you headaches and it's going to give you a performance-minded cooling setup without turning the install into a fabrication job. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting a 3-row aluminum radiator with TIG welded end tanks and a heavy-duty silver finish. That aluminum build helps the heat transfer, while those TIG welded tanks are the kind of durability and leak resistant that you're really gonna want in a truck that might actually get worked hard. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the upper $700 price range. That's definitely gonna be a premium price, but it's commanded by a premium product. For a larger capacity all aluminum radiator from a name brand, it makes a lot of sense for buyers who want real cooling gains and not just a stock style replacement. When it comes to the install on this one, it's getting rated a 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in 2 hours of your time. This is a direct fit install like I mentioned, so most of the work is going to come from clearing out the fan and making space to get the old one out and drop the new one in, and overall it's a pretty straightforward install. Alright, that's going to wrap up my review of the Mishimoto Performance Aluminum Radiator for the 2015 and newer F-150s. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.